Of course, school normally start trig graph first on, but we discussed the hard part. Now, I'll make up another diagram. Try to visualize stuff again. Try to visualize stuff again. Here. This is just one. It's like a trapezium, OP, just A, B, C, D. This is angle alpha. This is angle beta. What's cos alpha plus beta in the diagram? What's cos alpha cos beta in the diagram? Guys, message me. We still try to use line segments. What's cos alpha plus beta? Oh, yes, just OE. OE over OA, but OA just one. OE. What's cos alpha times cos beta? I mean, what's cos alpha first? Leo, what's cos alpha in the diagram? OD over OC. OC over OA. 哎呀，这是 OD。OA just one. Good. Good. What's sine alpha? Sine beta. We got a single line here, single line here. A piece of line segment. Okay, how about sine alpha times sine beta? Guys, sin alpha sin beta. Hello guys, 我是 sin alpha sin beta。If we do CD over OC, AC over OA, we cannot simplify. We cannot simplify, which means we need to try a different way. If I put AC here, we try to cancel AC. What's here? For sin alpha. We try to cancel AC. If I put AC there, what's the question mark? Guys, think about the diagram. What is the question mark? Okay. Which one is the question mark? Yes, AB. Very good. It's AB. Why is AB? This is alpha. This is 90 minus alpha. This is alpha. If you know this is alpha, sin just AB over AC. So just AB. Guys, try to use the connection OE, OD, AB. What's the connection between OE, OD, OB? Okay. What's the connection? OE equals OD minus AB. Okay? OE equals OD minus AB, but OE just cos alpha plus beta. OD. Okay? Okay. So that's the formula we proved. It's called the compound angle formula. Tina, any question? Okay, now, if I ask you, what's cos A minus B? We just proved A alpha plus beta, which means we can make alpha just A, we can make beta negative B, alpha just A, beta just negative B. Cos negative B, you can really say it's about multiple even number, even number. Because K0, even number. So we still use cos. But for B and negative B, they're all positive. So we got cos A, cos B. But for sine, change to negative. Cos A minus B. We just proved the two formula. Okay, everybody need to try to prove the formula. It's kind of practice identity. Or you can just say we just replace beta by negative beta. So now we have two formulas here, here. Compound angle formula. Okay. Cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta. How we prove sine formula? We prove two, Now, sine formula. For example, they ask you, can you prove using the one we learned, using the formula we learned? We learned prove sine. We just learned the cos. This one equals cos what? Equals cos what? Sine x equals cos what? Sine x equals cos. Oh, here. Cos 90 minus x. Okay? Which means you can make here alpha, here beta. This is alpha. Using the formula here, alpha minus beta, cos plus sine. So we have cos plus sine. 90 minus a b 90 minus a. Okay. Hey, we just learned cos 90 minus a. Just sine a. Cos a. Sine. Proved. So we proved one more formula. Oh, if you try to make beta, a just negative beta, here minus, cos negative b just still cos b, here minus. We proved 1, 2, 3, 4. We just proved 4 more formula. Guys, everybody need to memorize the formula. The formula is given in the exam, but we memorize it. Or you can memorize during practice when you try to use the formula. Today, we just focus on compound angle formula. Compound like a plus b, a minus b. Now prove tan a plus b. Ask you prove this one. Okay. If you prove 10, we have left-hand side equals sine over cos. Tangent x just equals sine over cos. Hey, we learned, we just proved the formula for sine. Oh, Kelly, when they ask you prove identity, it's kind of formula, but it's not the formula given in the data booklet. They ask you prove some other formula. But proving the formula in the data booklet, in the formula sheet, practice your skills. Okay. You can stop here, or you can continue. If you stop, you can do right-hand side now. If we do right-hand side, the right-hand side just tan A just sine A over cos A. Sine B over cos B. Sine A over cos A. Sine B over cos B. Try to simplify it. Simplify fraction in fraction. Simplify. Simplify, we times the denominator, the common denominator. But we have cos A cancelled. Guys, therefore, left-hand side equals right-hand side. Okay. Yeah, we proved the tan formula. If tan A minus B here, just B change to negative B. So here minus, here plus. We proved 6 more formula. Okay, Double check what we proved today. We proved sine square plus cos square equals 1. That's last year. Tan theta just equals sine theta over cos theta. For this year, you need to memorize our formula. 1 plus tan squared equals secant squared. 1 plus cot squared, cosecant squared. Cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Oh, we even visualize it. This is cos A plus B. This is cos minus sine. Cos A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Okay? Sine A plus B. Sine A cos B. Cos A sine B. Sine A minus B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Okay? Memorize, copy down and try to use it for the questions in the textbook I shared. For tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B. 1 minus tan A, tan B. For tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B. 1 plus tan A, tan B. Oh, of course, we learned secant theta equals 1 over cos theta. Cosecant theta equals 1 over sine theta. Cot theta equals 1 over tan theta. Compare with AS, A2 got much more formula, okay? AS just these two brown yellow ones. Not finished, A2 we have more formula. Let's see level 3, we have more formula. Okay, guys, today we basically just prove some formula. You can check textbook. If you don't have the textbook, Discord me or WeChat me. I'll share the electronic version. Okay, guys. Harry, any question? You homework, redo the proof we did. Examples in lessons. Textbook question. Because in the textbook, but Pythagoras, compound, they give you an exercise. Okay? Memorize the formula we learned. That's homework. Okay, see you guys. Next week, continue trick.